Bismillah, distinguished President of the Center of Pakistan and International Relations, Amna Noor Sahib, Dr. Tehseen, Dean of PSS, esteemed faculty of the Department of Defense and Strategic Studies, respected scholars, dignitaries, and dear participants. Assalamu alaikum. Together we gathered to commemorate Mark-e-Haq, a defining chapter in our national journey that will be studied by strategists, historians, and statesmen for generations to come. When Pakistan faces moments of profound pride, our nation responded with clarity, unity, and overwhelming resolve. The world witnessed what happens when a nation stands firm, guided by conviction, anchored in justice, and united in purpose. That response will never be forgotten, inshallah. Mark-e-Haq is not merely a historic milestone. It is a living doctrine, a testament to Pakistan's strategic foresight, institutional strength, and moral conviction. It demonstrated that when a nation stands united, no adversary can break its resolve. We must also take a moment to honor those who gave everything, the sons of this soil, to embrace Shahadat while defending our homeland, are not a footnote in this story. They are its very foundation. We bow our heads in reverence to our Shoda, whose names are written in the heart of this nation. Their sacrifice will never be forgotten. This moment also gives us to recognize the depth of institutional synergy that defines Pakistan's security architecture. Our armed forces operating with extraordinary professionalism across air, land, sea, and cyber domains. They did not only defend our territorial integrity, they redefined the parameters of modern deterrence. And it is the cyber and information dimension that brings me to the heart of my message today. In an era defined by technology and information, national strength extends far beyond conventional capabilities. The battlefield has expanded into its digital domain, where narratives shape realities, where perception can be engineered, and where disinformation travels faster than any missile. Hybrid warfare and coordinated information attacks are now deployed against nations as deliberately as any weapon system. Mark-e-Haq reminded the world that in today's conflict, the contest for truth runs parallel to every other domain. Pakistan's narrative was targeted as deliberately as its territory. Our response, coordinated, factual, and consistent, was itself a form of national defense. Safeguarding Pakistan's narrative is as vital as safeguarding its borders. Going forward, we must further build and strengthen digital ecosystems that promote factual discourse, systematically counter disinformation, and amplify Pakistan's voice with confidence on the world stage. In this regard, institutions like COPIR play a vital role generating the research, policy insight, and critical thinking that must underpin our national strategy. The partnership between the government, academia, and media is not a luxury. It is a national security imperative. Pakistan's youth must be equipped not only with digital tools, but with the wisdom to use them responsibly. And in age of information overload, the capacity to distinguish fact from fabrication is itself a strategic asset. Our young generation are Pakistan's most powerful ambassadors, carrying our true identity to the world, a nation defined by courage, inclusivity, innovation, and peace. Mark-e-Haq also teaches us the enduring value of unity. In an increasingly polarized world, Pakistan's greatest strength remains its collective resolve. We must continue to advocate for dialogue, stability, and sovereign equality in international affairs. Let us also acknowledge the great leadership that continues to guide our nation with purpose and clarity. Through the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister B.N. Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif Sahab and the resolve of Army Chief Field Marshal Hafiz Saeed Asim Munir Sahab, Pakistan has demonstrated to the world that it possesses not only military strength, but strategic wisdom, diplomatic maturity, and unshakable national purpose. Let this day remind us that nations are not sustained by the victories of past alone, but by the vision and determination of those who carry them forward. That truth prevails, that resilience defines us, that Pakistan stands and will always stand so naturally, sovereign, united and strong. Inshallah. Pakistan हमेशा जिंदाबाद.